Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So to force restart our device, we have to press the power button and volume up button together and wait until we will see the black screen and then the developer's logo. This is the best option if your device, for example, stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches or something like that. So as I said, power button and volume up button together and wait. It should take approximately 10 seconds. We've got this restart option, but let's pretend we cannot tap on it. We have to press the buttons. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign, so keep pressing. And we've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully soft reset or force restarted our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.